Hello friends, welcome to Sangeeta's educational videos. Thank you all for subscribing my channel. If you're not subscribed, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and please like and follow my Facebook page for more and more educational videos. This video is for Lecture 2 assignment. As you all know, the assignment is to create a web page to display the information about solar system using HTML5. The title of your web page should be Solar System and you have to explain Sun and each planet using appropriate heading and paragraph tags. I have created the page and I will show you that. This is a file created for the web page Solar System, and just double click the file to open it in browser. Yes, this is the web page created. Have you ever seen a web page and wondered, hey, how did they do that? For that, we have to view the HTML source code. To view the coding part, right-click the file and choose View Page Source. This is the HTML code written for this page. This is called source file. You can check all the tags here. See, here I am using 3 heading tags, H1 and H2 and H3 for solar system, sun and planets respectively, and P for paragraphs. I have specified the title of the page under head tag so that you can see the title solar system in the tab of the page. So generally, if you want to view the coding part of any web page, just right click on the page and click on View Page Source. Here you can see the difference between the 3 heading tags in the page. From the source file, you can clearly understand how the page has been created. For example, just check the source file for Google web page. Right click the file and go to View Page Source. Yes, this is a source file for the Google home page. Forget about other scripts written here. We will learn everything sooner. And most importantly, if you want to inspect an HTML element, just right click on a blank area of the page and choose Inspect or Inspect Element to see what elements are made up of. You will see both the HTML and the CSS. This is the HTML coding panel and this is the CSS for the page. By moving the cursor on the coding panel, you can clearly see which area is intended for the respective element. Yes, you can also edit the HTML or CSS on the fly in the Elements or Styles panel that opens. Let me change the width attribute for this division. Yes, now you can see the changes that are happening in the page lively. Yes, this is just an information you have to know before starting to design your web page. Hence, now you can view the coding part for any of your favorite web page using View Page Source, and you can also edit the page spontaneously using Inspect Element. Yes, that is all for this video, guys. I hope you all can create your own web page for solar system after this video. Try to make your first web page soon. We will make it more beautiful in the upcoming lectures. So don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel by clicking the link in description and in comment section. Thank you guys. Bye bye. Take care.